right. So I'm in school right now and I get my A plus certification by the end of the year. Any jobs besides help desk that can prepare somebody for a cybersecurity role? Yeah, I mean, really, a lot of different jobs will prepare you for cybersecurity. So, you know, really any job in IT is going to give you some kind of grasp on it. Kind of the traditional route is help desk into like a system administrator or network engineer kind of role, and then moving over eventually into cybersecurity. But it doesn't have to be that way. Really, whatever kind of job that you can get, and then just start working that way will help you. Um, I especially early on, the more that you can apply to, the better. You don't know who's going to call you back. You just don't. So, especially for whatever position, sometimes people are willing to take a chance. You could get an entry level cybersecurity job, right? If you get a security plus or something like that, that's possible. I'm not saying it's 100% guaranteed, but if you find the right opportunity, the right company looking to take a chance, then it can definitely happen. So, really just apply when you are ready to work because you're in school right now. But you know, if you're um, if you're looking to start right away, you get your A plus certification, just start applying. Apply. Don't let that hold you back. Um, you might not even get a call for a help desk job. You might get a call for a system administrator job. So it just really depends.